and white ash trees have been durable and beautiful members of our landscapes, urban forests, and woodlands. Unfortunately, the emerald ash borer has killed hundreds of millions of trees throughout much of North America, leaving major voids in our green spaces. If you've lost an ash tree, are considering replacing rather than treating one, or planning on adding a new tree to your landscape, you're probably looking for a suitable alternative to the ash tree. As always, select the tree that is suited to the growing conditions. Matching trees to the environment helps ensure their health and longevity while reducing ongoing maintenance. Make sure the tree you select will fit the space once it reaches mature size. Those little plants quickly grow and often outgrow their location in the landscape. Select a tree that provides the function and ornamental appeal you desire. Perhaps you need the shade the ash tree once provided. Or you may want to increase seasonal interest with new plantings that provide flowers, fruit, fall color, and help attract birds and butterflies. Now is your chance to select the best tree for your landscape needs and desires. Here are just a few to consider. And as always, consider the preferred growing conditions, mature size, and your design goals when selecting a replacement for an ash or any other landscape plant. I know it's sad and costly to lose a mature tree in the landscape. They're like an old friend who provided shade and beauty for decades. Make the most of this loss by filling the space with a new tree that will provide beauty, enjoyment, and shade to your landscape for decades to come.